Hi, amazing parents and guardians. My name is Vanessa Morris O'Hearn, and this is Open House 2020. To make this more interactive, Wednesday, March 3rd, between the hours of 6 and 7:30, I'll be online, and if you answer your questions in your chat or unmuting, I can enter you into a raffle for an Amazon gift card. By listening to this, you get all the answers. All right, so let's get started. About me, a little bit about me. Love coffee, candy, my family, traveling. There is a picture of my husband Jim and my son Jack, who is in first grade. There's so much technology, and your students are amazing. Your child is amazing at navigating through all of these different platforms. We have definitely learned a lot in this year with technology, and it's keeping us connected. So students have options of sending me email, Canvas messages, and texting me through Remind. So here's a question I'm going to ask on Wednesday. What's a way that you, the parent, or students can contact me? Our class meets 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesdays or Thursdays, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And expectation is that they are present at the beginning of the period and they participate through chat and microphone. There is one assignment in Canvas each week, and the expectation is the assignment is submitted at the end of the week. Students can turn in late work. Everything is unlocked until June. If students have questions or need extra help, I am available from 2 to 3 p.m. every day except Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I do have class recordings. I do have my agenda posted on Canvas. So if students need to go to an appointment or have other obligation, there is a recording. So my second question, what is one of the expectations for my students? Some of the topics we covered first semester were ecosystems, climate change. Now we're doing second semester, we're doing evolution, structure and function, and genetics. In AP Biology, we have 8 topics. We are about to start Unit 5, Heredity. And the AP exam is May 27th. We still continue to do labs, both hands-on and virtual in Gizmos. Grading. Grading is based on projects, tests, labs, hyperdocs, class activities, and participation. I do encourage you as the parent guardian to check PowerSchool weekly. If you see a missing assignment, please send your child to office hours. All work can be submitted until June 1st with no late penalty. Participation points. We have Dojo, and students are winning gift cards for getting to those 50 dojos. So this is how they check out of my virtual store. The school is also providing gift cards for students who keep their grades at a C or higher. So how are you feeling right now on a scale of Moherns? Hopefully you're feeling good. Look forward to meeting you Wednesday, March 3rd. And you are welcome to contact me, email me, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.